Hi guys and friends, my name is Jefferson Paredes. Below I present my activity. Uh, I have action script structure. 1. Object and class. An action script every object is defined by class. The definition of class can include variables and contents. Various classes are being part of language code. 2. Packages allow to grow class definition for more easily short-coded. Also is helping to guarantee the names of identifier be unique. 3. Variables. The use of variables is obligatory. Since your version 3.0 in 2007, you should declare and assign the data type or in-word generate mistakes at time of compilation. 4. Syntaxes. You should be careful how time this language is differentiating between small and capital letters. Concerning point operator allows to access the attributes and methods of an object. Action scripts don't admit forward slash before of action script 3.0 were used for indicate the clear route. The conditional if-else allow the confirm a condition and execute a code block if a true. For example, recurring is if a person was born on Friday. 6. The conditional if-else if can't confirm various conditions. And 7. The conditional switch evaluates an expression and uses the result for determinate coded that should executes. For example, when you are identified and as age, rank, age loops used in case of execute on a specific code block. Goodbye. Thank you.